going to learn the tuning on the open bars and learn some notes on the neck. The open bars tunings are G, C, E, A. G, C, E, A. You can use your thumb to strum or your index finger. Let's try using your thumb first. You can lean your instrument on your lap and do 4 strumming with me. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. Now let's use our index finger and strum 4 times together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the neck, we're going to start on the second line from the top. The second line from the top has C. Next note that we're going to learn is D, second fret. Second line from the top and second fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the thumb is just being placed like on top of the neck. You don't need to be worried about your neck. Second finger on the second fret of the second line. And this is D. Open bar, C, D. Let's play C 4 times and then D 4 times. Ready? C, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. D. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to the third line from the top. 1, 2, 3. Open. You don't need to select any notes on the third line. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, and this is E. We learned 3 notes. Open bar, second line, C. Second line, second fret. D. Open bar, third line, E. Let's play them in the right order. C, D, E. Here we go. C, D, E. Let's play each note 4 times using our thumb. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go to D. 1, 2, 3, now E. 1, 2, 3, 4. We learned 3 notes on our Dijilele today.